Uh-oh. Here's that music. Where's the music coming from? Draven. Come this way. This way. Draven. Man, that's a lot of exercise. That's a lot of exercise for me. It's gotta be a lot for him. Come on, this way. Oh, he's gonna go steal their ball. He sees the ball. There he goes. Okay. Whoop! Ooh, that's the ant pit. Get out of the ant pit. Whoop! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, well. He can get dirty. No, Draven. Okay, I gotta turn it off because he's about